Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. So today I've been out and about. My sister's here from Australia, so I went and met her for lunch. But before I went and met her for lunch, I went by and saw some of our community, Pat and Larry, and they don't live very far from us. And I dropped off some potato slips for them today, and they allowed me to tour their garden. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what's going on to give maybe some of you guys some ideas on your backyard garden. I'm here with Pat and Larry, and they're some of our community and some of our subscribers, and Pat has followed me since the very beginning, and it's a privilege to get to see her garden. And I have some other videos from some other subscribers and pictures that I'm going to share with y'all on this as well, but let's see what they got going on. So this is Pat and Larry's cilantro. It's looking really good. They got it in the shade, so it'll do pretty well until we start getting in those 90 and 100-degree temperatures consistently. And look at these beds that Larry built. When did he build these, Pat?
About 5 years ago.
He built these about 5 years ago, and they're just absolutely gorgeous, and they're just full of their vegetables. Let's see what they got going on here. So she's got her some purple cut cabbage. Is this chives?
Yes.
They got some chives going.
There's a little bit of onion in there.
That's beautiful. And then they have some cabbage coming up here, and their backyard is shaded, so they should be fine. You can see it's just a beautiful setup back here. And then they have their strawberries, and they have some more onions. Are these regular onions, or are these?
These are the regular white onions.
The regular white onions. Yeah, and their strawberry bed
are red onions.
And then this is celery, right?
No, that is.
Is this parsley?
I've got flat leaf and curly leaf.
She's got flat leaf and curly leaf parsley. Oh, that's gorgeous.
And then my basil.
Yeah, and then she's got some basil. Same thing here.
Yeah.
And then let's come over here, and this is some of their tomatoes and their peppers. And they got loads of mint, and their mint is just doing beautiful. And here are their pepper plants, and you can see they got their marigolds. And then these tomato plants are gorgeous as well.
Yeah, those are Cherokee purples. These are kula peppers.
Kula peppers?
Yeah, they're like jalapenos without the heat.
Oh, okay, like a notapeno.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. And look at this. Oh, it's just gorgeous, guys. I love, love, love your raised beds.
I've got cucumbers, steaks.
So she's got some cucumbers here, and she's got beef steaks. What else she got going?
And then these are just green bells.
Look, and you're doing the container gardening. See, guys, I mean, you can grow tons of food in containers. That is just beautiful.
These are my chard.
So hang on just a sec. Go ahead.
These are the chard. These are the tomatillas. These are blueberries, which the birds and the squirrels have been helping themselves.
Yeah, you got trees. We don't have squirrels. And I see you got some sage.
I've got sage. This thing over the arch is blackberries.
Oh, did y'all get blackberries last year?
We started to. And then this spring, I thought I'd lost them. Because of the freeze and everything.
They look good.
But they're coming
in a
back.
container. Larry, you just outdid yourself.
He does.
Here, let me show you Larry. This is Larry, Pat's husband. They've been out to our place and visited with us, and they have followed us from the beginning, I'd say.
Yeah, pretty close. Red bells, poblano ancho, those are okra.
Okay.
They need to be thinned. I haven't, gone through and thinned them out yet.
Wow, and then you have some more peppers and stuff over
and
here?
And then these are orange, yellow, and then of course my green were over there. Sorry, I'm a horse this morning. This one is I believe this was the Sweet Million.
Yeah, that's what it says.
And then my sage, trying to think what else I got on here. My sweet potatoes are going to go right back there.
Okay, good. And those are good buckets. Where did you get your buckets from, Larry?
Oh, we ordered them online.
Okay, so y'all order them?
Yeah, we've got a whole bunch of them.
Where do y'all order them online at? Just in case anybody wants to know.
I think I got those from Greenhouse Supply.
Okay.
I'm not totally sure because we've got the smaller ones and then the bigger ones.
Those are really great.
They're nice.
Are they 30 gallon, 27 gallon?
The big ones are 50. I
Oh,
think.
50 gallon. Good.
And then I think the small ones are 30.
Okay.
I know they're more. I know they're more than the square ones, I think, but just barely. Those are little beans.
These are little
Little
bean cherry tomatoes.
And they
Those
are
are beautiful
wonderful.
pots.
I love those.
Little beans. Okay, guys, she said they're wonderful.
They are.
So we want to thank Larry and Pat for allowing us to come tour their garden. And now I'm going to show you some pictures of some of our other subscribers' gardens. So thank you guys for watching very much. Enjoy these pictures. And this is Alicia's backyard. You can see she's got planters everywhere. It is absolutely beautiful. And now this is Laura B's carrots. We're very proud of you, Laura B, and so happy you got this harvest. It's so exciting to get to visit with folks and get to see what they're doing in their backyards and in their gardens and what they're growing, and seeing some ideas that maybe might strike you guys. And I really appreciate Pat and Larry for letting me see their gardens today. And I appreciate Alicia. Thank you for those beautiful pictures. Your garden is looking fantastic. And Laura B, so proud about them carrots, gal. If you guys want to share some pictures of your gardens with me, be sure and go ahead and shoot me an email, which is at hbjtexas2020@gmail.com. It is great to see what you guys are doing. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We have a fantastic community. We love you all, and we'll see you soon.